Installation of material holder. Parts of material holder. Start to install the stand. Please note to put the metal plate direction with each foot as shown here. Release all the screws a little with the short bar of aluminum exclusion. Release screws a little at another side of the bar. Fix two ends of the short bar with the longer exclusions on the water level. Put the 2 feet at this position. Move the short bar to the end of the stand feet. Next, we install another group of the stand, the same way as the first stand group was did. Going to fix the third and fourth short bar with the 2 stand groups. Fix the third short bar with the stand. The 2 ends of the bar should go down in the same time on the same water level. Fix the fourth bar with the stand in the same way. Fix screws just a little, but not tight. Need to keep space for fixing the rolling plate at the top. Going to fix the base plate at the base of the stand. Fix all screws with the plate. The base plate is installed. Fix the rolling parts with material rolling plate. Remove the screw from the part. Fix it with the rolling plate. Tight screws at backside of the plate. Put the rolling plate on the holding stand. Fix screws at 4 corners. At last, tight all screws at feet of the stand. The material holding stand is ready.